G'day, welcome back to the channel. We're just about to hack into Mum's Christmas pud, so I thought I would bring you part 2 of the video where we unwrap the Christmas pudding and give it a warm up and eat it and do the taste test. So thanks for following along, and I'll catch you in the next video. Rightio, so at the end of our last video we had the pud hanging up in the kitchen. This is worse than unwrapping your Christmas presents. And I've unwrapped it out of the calico, and I've wrapped him up in a bit of alfoil and some Glade wrap, and I've had it in the fridge for 2 weeks. So we've just got him back out. We're going to have some, so let's unwrap it. So there it is in all its glory, Mum's famous Christmas pud. Let's cut a couple of slices, get them warmed up and get them in a bowl. Oh, look at that. Let's go 1 minute each in the microwave and see how they turn out. Rightio, so out of the microwave after being warmed up. Bit of custard. And we are ready to rock and roll. Now all we need to do is have the taste test.
Eat the pudding, eat the pudding, eat the pudding, eat the pudding.
I'd really like to go on and on and on about how good it was, but I'm already trying to decide whether we can have seconds. As I said in the last pud vid, this is a little bit different style of video to what I normally do. So I'd like to thank everybody that's been watching and commenting, and I'll hope to catch you in the next video.